Hey, now whose tree are you decorating?
Whose tree is this?
Sally!
Sally's tree. We got two more, okay?
Walker.
One. Got it? Okay, last one. You're gonna put it.
Great spot.
All right. That's all.
Now we have to hang the star and plug it in.
Oh, you need your star?
Yeah, and we have to plug it in,
You
Mommy.
found us. So you can say go to his tree.
I want you to plug it.
I don't remember where the plug in. Where I shoved it in it.
I found it.
Wait, leave that one, Sully. Don't touch that one.
I found one right over there, but I found it.
Oh boy.
Mommy.
Okay. There's
Sully,
the
turn your room lights off.
star on your tree.
Go turn your room lights off.
I can't.
Yeah, you can reach. The other one.
Oh.
I can't.
You can get it. You got the other one.